Hi everyone, I like to talk today top AWS services for developer. These six AWS services that transform my uh, career. So AWS have more than 200 services. Very difficult to learn all the services. From the beginning of my career, when want to shift to cloud, so uh, I don't understand from where I should start because I try to learn everything. AWS have more than 200 services, and each services they have released different feature and new services coming. So that's why I try to learn this core AWS services, become a master uh, for my career first to learn for other services. The first service is Amazon EC2 is Elastic Compute Cloud. What is this? This is a virtual server that in the cloud with resizable compute capacity where run application without upfront cost. It has the key benefit or main benefit. You can launch your instance or your server within a minute. It has different type of instance type for general compute and GPU type and different types. So based on your application, you can use instance and different kind of instance. Flexible pricing, it has a flexible pricing option. You can use on demand. So if you need it, you can use or you can reserve for 3 years, which is less costly than on demand. And spot instance, so where you can save up to 90% if you want to run some dev environment or maybe the best processing job, you can use this one. Then it has a scaling option. So you can use auto scaling, which will be adjust your capacity based on your workload and demand. And it's available all AWS region and availability zone. Um, and it's securely work with VPC, IAM Identity Center, IAM Identity Management, Security Group. You can do customize. You can use existing Amazon machine images, or you can build your image. It's similarly integrated with S3, RDS, Lambda, CloudWatch, etc. Um, Also, it has a storage option like EBS volume, snapshot, and instance store. So, second service is very important. This is Amazon S3, which is simple storage services. This is object storage for backupping data, backup log, media file, picture, whatever. So it has very minimal management to provide secure and access to your object. The main benefit here is a highly uh, available. So it provides 11 lines. It's designed for 11 lines. So and also it has a different kind of storage classes. It has standard. It has intelligent steering and glacier and more. Um, and cost optimization pay only you don't need to upfront. Okay, you only pay whatever you use. Choose the low cost only, and it is a security. It supports encryption, IAM policy, and bucket policy. By using this one, you can secure your object. And the you can handle unlimited storage with cost reason applications for your disaster recovery. And also how you manage your data management, you can S3 support versioning, policy, and even notification. And S3 also works seamlessly with EC2 instance, Lambda, Athena, Redshift, and CloudFront for other CloudFront. This is the is uh, closely working seamlessly. Third services I want to talk with AWS IAM and Center. This is very important services, which is basically manage your user access to giving permission on permission to AWS resource. resource. It has provided granular control over who can access, what can access on AWS resources. The main benefit or key benefit here, it has provided the central access control, manage permission, it provides the provide general permission, so least privileged access you can do, and also secure authentication. It has support MFA, password policy, and federated access. And also you can manage user group and rule for large organizations, and also it integrated it integrated works with organization SSO third party provider. So for services Lambda, this is the Lambda is fully managed AWS program. You don't you will run your application, but you don't need to manage your server. This is very ideal for event-driven application and microservices. Key benefit of server management: just upload the code, AWS handle the rest. Automatic scale, it will automatically, you don't need to do anything. Scale seamlessly from few requests to thousand. Okay, cost effective, pay only for execution time. You will pay only execution time. It's also event integration works with S3, DynamoDB, API Gateway, Cloud. Okay, secure. So it also work with under the VPC also, and relational database. So Amazon RDS, this relations services. I know the database is the heart of any applications, because if you lost your data, you lose everything. Before it was very hard to managing, setup, updating your service, your database services. So dedicated people and keeping for only for data and for data services, database admin, database developer. And now it's very easy. It is the AWS managed services, setting up, operating, and scaling relation database like MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, and SQL servers. It automatically handle backup and passing and scaling. The main benefit is fully managed. Also, it is secure and it's cost effective. Pay only what you want to pay with on demand or reserve instance. And also it is highly available. It support multi-AZ deployment, also automatic failover. Also monitoring, you can use easily monitor CloudWatch metrics, performance inside what for the tuning. The last services I want to talk with AWS VPC. This is virtual private cloud. It's basically create isolated, secure, and virtual network with AWS. Provide full control, IP, subnet, and routing. So the main benefit is network isolation, and then another is custom networking. You can define your IP range, subnet, route table, and also you can secure connectivity where using VPN, direct connect, and pairing with the hybrid, like you can connect your data center, have on-prem, you can connect, okay, and also you can manage your traffic, okay, and also it's easily integrated with EC2, RDS, and other services. So the quick notes is EC2 is provide the compute power to run your application. S3 is reliable and scalable storage option. VPC is for the isolated network, secure isolated network. IAM is managing access and security. RDS database without the headache. Lambda is run without managing the server. This is the 6 services you must know before other services. You focus these 6 services to learn everything. Then you are confident. Then go other services. Thank you today.